Hey everyone, myself Venkat. I'm pursuing my engineering at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today, let's discuss the topic Emerging Trends and Technologies in Mechanical Engineering. The agenda of today's topic is what are the emerging trends and technologies in mechanical engineering? There are different sectors in which trends and technologies are present. Like for example, we have energy sector, manufacturing, automotive, aerospace and marine sector. In energy sector, we have renewable energy, internet of energy, energy storage, blockchain, etc. Renewable energy. Renewable energy is the energy produced from sources like the sun and wind that are naturally replenished and do not run out. This includes reducing costs for the manufacturing of renewables infrastructure and generating power with higher rates of efficiency. Next, we have Internet of Energy. Internet of Energy allows energy production to move forward more efficiently and cleanly with the least amount of waste. All the energy producing units and utilizing units are interconnected with this technology. Benefits of using Internet of Energy includes increased efficiencies, significant cost savings, and reduction in the wastage of energy. Next, we have energy storage. Energy storage enables stable pricing by proactively managing demand from consumers by having the opportunity to purchase energy for future use. Consumers potentially stock it up during ideal conditions. This accumulated energy later helps in reducing the grid loads during peak times. Next is blockchain. Blockchain technologies intend to unite all energy stakeholders under a single decentralized network. Electricity producers, distribution network operators, metering operators, providers of all financial services, and traders potentially benefit from utilizing smart contracts. Next comes the manufacturing sector. Under manufacturing sector, we have accessible automation. Automation in manufacturing world is not entirely new, but widespread adoption of practice is new. New technologies have made automation more accessible to more manufacturers and are changing the way companies operate. Next is mobile robotics. One of the primary drivers of manufacturing trend is autonomous mobile robots (AMRs), which while robots used to mean ultra sophisticated technology that required trained robotics, new robotics technology is making automation attainable for companies of all sizes. Next is Internet of Things. Internet of Things is is common in every sector. It is helping manufacturers connect, monitor, monitor, monitor the various components of their operations, gaining the insight never before possible. Next is Enterprise Resource Planning. It is a software system that helps us to run your entire business, supporting automation, process in finance, human resource, manufacturing, supply chain, services, procurement, and many more. Next comes the automotive sector. Autonomous vehicles (AVs), vehicles that control their own operation and either require or reduced input from a human driver or do not need a driver at all. And there comes the electrification. The depleting fossil fuels reserves and the harm to the environment caused by the use call for promoting the use of electric vehicles. Human mission interference. A human mission interference (HMI) is a user interface or dashboard that connects a person to a mission system or device. While the term can technically be applied to any screen that allows a user to interact with a device, HMI is most commonly used in the context of an industrial process. It is also known as a intermediate between a human and the machine. Next comes the aerospace sector. Aerospace sector consists of advanced materials, advanced materials which is innovative materials can be used in a wide variety of areas from lighter, more agile aircraft and emerging hypersonic systems to personal protection equipment, and anywhere risk or damage can be reduced. Next comes the supersonic flights. Supersonic flight is one of the four speeds of flight. They are called the regimes of flight. The regimes of flight are subsonic, transonic, supersonic, and hypersonic. Vehicles that fly at supersonic speeds are flying faster than the speed of sound. The speed of sound is about 768 miles per hour, which is 1236 kilometers per hour at sea level. Next comes the artificial intelligence. The aerospace technology industry is also benefiting from artificial intelligence and the use of machine or active learning in research and education. For instance, for instance, in order to create the next generation of technology, researchers at the United States Air Force Research Laboratory (AFRL) are using machine learning. And then comes the marine sector. It consists of digital route management of ships, which says, however, ships can often have journey lasting several months, and it is not feasible to accurately predict conditions in advance. Real-time route management can play a major role in improving the journey duration and efficiency, considering the long periods the ships remain at sea. And then it is smart autonomous control. On land, self-driving cars use autonomous technology to make decisions based on the route they travel. This includes detecting pedestrians, other cars, and traffic signals, as well as remaining on the road without losing control. In the shipping industry, the implementing such autonomous control is a major operation since ships are considerably larger and more complex than cars. Next is smart propulsion systems, which is a higher degree of control, comes a higher risk to damage the equipment of the systems, and smart technology enables a computer to make decisions and control the equipment with a high level of accuracy. This allows the captain to remain in control of the vessel without having to constantly monitor the propellers. Similarly, marine engineers can also software to monitor the status of the marine diesel engines. Next is smart defense technology. Implementing smart technology in the domain would allow navies to become self-reliant and extremely efficient. For instance, during times of war, provisions and fearing equipment to control ships such as aircraft carriers can be a major task. By implementing smart technologies that accurately routes, deploys, and controls the supply vessels would allow the logistics division to the Navy to be used in a more efficient manner. Thank you. If you like the video, please like and share and subscribe.